How can you buy accessible ticket on Ticketmaster UK? Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to buy accessible ticket on Ticketmaster UK. So you can buy accessible ticket on Ticketmaster UK. Here's how you can do it. First of all, you need to go ahead and visit your Ticketmaster official website. So that is ticketmaster.co.uk. And when you do that, you can go ahead and log in into your account, or else you could just go ahead and search for the event you wish to attend. For that, press on find tickets. So here you could go ahead and tap on search by artist, event or venue and look for the event that you want to attend. And once you're on the event page, you can look for the link or a section labeled as access ticket or similar. These sections especially for purchasing tickets for accessible seating. In some cases you might need to call dedicated phone line to purchase accessible ticket. The phone number will usually be listed on the event page under the accessible ticket section. Now this allows you to speak directly with the representative who can assist you with the specific need. And if the option is available, you can also contact Ticketmaster UK by email for accessing ticket requests. These contact details for email inquiry will typically be provided on the event page or the Ticketmaster hub section itself. When requesting accessible ticket, be prepared to provide information about your accessibility. You need to ensure you are allocated the most appropriate seating as well. So that's basically how you can access your ticket on Ticketmaster UK. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.